हिँडेको बाटो हेरी उठ्योको छाया ढल्कन्छ बाटोले भन्छ
Thank you, Manojit sir. Light represents knowledge, positivity.
आदरणीय प्रमुख अतिथि श्रीमान अशोक कुमार जी, चीफ पोस्ट मास्टर जनरल वेस्ट बंगाल सर्कल, माननीय विशिष्ट अतिथि पद्मश्री सम्मानित श्री नरेंद्र गुरुङ जी, आदरणीय श्री ललफक ज्वाला चांगते जी, पोस्ट मास्टर जनरल नॉर्थ बेंगल एंड सिक्किम रिजियन, आदरणीय अधिकारी ज्यूहरू, प्रतिष्ठित फिलाटेलिस्टहरू, शिक्षक वर्ग, प्रिय विद्यार्थीहरू तथा यहाँ उपस्थित संपूर्ण महानुभावहरू, हामी सबको तर्फबाट आज आयोजित फिलाटेली प्रदर्शनी कार्यक्रममा यहाँहरूलाई हार्दिक स्वागत तथा अभिनन्दन व्यक्त गर्दछु। हुलाक टिकट केवल पत्र पठाउने माध्यम मात्र नभई इतिहास, संस्कृति, कला तथा विभिन्न देशहरूको पहिचान झल्काउने महत्वपूर्ण साधन पनि हो। इस प्रदर्शनी मार्फत विद्यार्थी तथा सर्वसाधारणलाई फिलाटेली प्रति रुचि बढाउने र ज्ञान विस्तार गर्ने उद्देश्य राखिएको छ। यहाँहरूको उपस्थितिले आजका कार्यक्रमलाई अर्थपूर्ण र सफल बनाएको छ। एक पटक फेरि यहाँ उपस्थित सम्पूर्ण महानुभावहरूलाई हार्दिक स्वागत गर्दछु। धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद सबैको। नमस्कार, जय हिन्द।
Thank you so much for the inspiring address, sir. Especially in a language that is not your mother tongue. We really appreciate your efforts, sir.
Now, they are used by the Lepcha people during cultural ceremonies, storytelling, and moments of leisure. The instruments reflect the Lepcha community's deep connection with nature and their rich musical heritage.
We would now like to request our guests on dais to come forward for the release, please.
distinguished guests on the dais, ladies and gentlemen, and fellow philatelists. I stand before you today with immense joy and pride as we gather to celebrate the fascinating display of philately at this prestigious exhibition, SikkimPEX 2026, organized by Department of Post, Sikkim Region. It is truly an honor to be a part of this gathering once again with fond memories of GangtokPEX 2024 and Kanchenjunga PEX 2025, where a lot of good exhibits were seen and met fellow philatelists. Each stamp tells a story of a nation's history, a cultural heritage, as well as the creativity of an artist. As we explore the exhibits today, let us marvel at the dedication and expertise showcased by collectors young and old. Now something on the judging of the exhibits. The mark sheet system of marking will be as specified by Philately Congress of India, which has been standardized in line with best practices. This will ensure common evaluation process at all levels. I encourage each and every one of you engaged with the exhibits, ask questions after the results are announced tomorrow morning. May this exhibition inspire the upcoming philatelists to continue with passion, ensuring that the legacy of stamp collecting continues to thrive for generations to come in spite of the digital age where emails and instant messaging dominate our communication. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
उपस्थित आजको यस अवसरमा तपाईहरु सबैलाई मेरो आनन्द अनि अति नै राम्रो कार्यक्रम भए जस्तो देखियो र आजको दिनमा हामीले जे जति जानेका छौँ अलिकति सेयर गर्ने कोसिस गर्छु। साहित्य, संस्कृति, संस्कार यी सबै चिजहरू मौलिकतामा पर्छन् र यो मौलिकता बचाउन हामी तपाईको समय आएको छ र यो मौलिकता सँगसँगै तपाईले यस्तो ठुलो कार्यक्रम गर्नुहुँदैछ। यो कलाकारहरूलाई ठुलो एउटा पक्ष बनिएको छ जहाँबाट कलाकारहरू अघि बढ्नेछन्। हाम्रो पहाडको यस संस्कार र संस्कृति अति धनी छ, राज्य छ र हामीले सिक्किम रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्नु पर्दा यो बडा मौलिकताको साथमा अगाडि बढ्छ। तपाईँ हामीहरू आज यसरी भेला भएर यस विषयमा केही सोच्ने, सम्झिने र केही कर्तव्य निभाउने पक्षमा छौँ। अनि म मेरो विशेष गरेर यङ्गर भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई कला, संस्कृति, साहित्य, संस्कार, परम्परा इत्यादिलाई बचाउने कोसिस गर्ने एउटा हृदयमा लिनुपर्छ र त्यसलाई कस्तो प्रकारले अध्ययन गर्ने, कस्तो प्रकारले मनन गर्ने, कस्तो प्रकारले चिन्तन गर्ने यी विषयहरूमा हामीहरूले अहिले गरेनौँ भने पछि हामीलाई धेरै धोका हुन्छ र त्यसले गर्दाखेरि हामी चाहिँ यसरी मौका पाउँदा यस्तो ठुलो मौकामा केही भन्न पाउँदा पनि हामीले धेरै जसो नभए पनि कम्ती नै भए पनि क्वालिटीसँग मतलब छ हामीलाई, क्वान्टिटी होइन। तर म यति भन्न चाहन्छु पोस्टल डिपार्टमेन्ट जुन कर्तव्य गर्नुभएको छ, जुन हिसाबले तपाईँहरू अगाडि आउनुभयो त्यस्तै हामीलाई एउटा प्रेरणा बन्दछ र आजको यस अवसरमा म फेरि पनि एकचोटि भन्छु हाम्रो संस्कार, संस्कृति, परम्परा इत्यादिलाई बचाउने गरौँ अनि बचाएर हामी राष्ट्रिय लेभलमा कुनै काम पनि गरेका छौँ, इन्टरनेसनल पनि हामीले गर्दैछौँ र तपाईँहरू सबैको साथ चाहिन्छ, तपाईँको आशीर्वाद चाहिन्छ, तपाईँको माया मोह चाहिन्छ। त्यसले गर्दा मात्र हामी यो सब चिजमा अगाडि बढ्न सक्नेछौँ र यति भन्दै मेरो सानो कुराले यही समाप्त गर्छु। धन्यवाद।
Applause, please. Andaman Nicobar and Sikkim to deliver the Chief Guest's address.
Dignitaries on the dais, PMG Sikkim and North Bengal region, Shri Lalfak Jwala Changte, Padma Shri awardee Shriman Narendra Gurumji, eminent philatelist and senior jurist Shri Rajesh Jhunjhunwala ji, eminent jurist, eminent philatelist present here in the audience, officers and officials of the Department of Post, all involved in the organizing this exhibition, honorable Gurujans and students of the school present here, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to all of you. It gives me immense joy and pride to be here with you at Sikkim PEX Philatelic Exhibition 2026. As our previous speaker, an eminent philatelist, has said, postal stamps, as we all know, are small bits of paper representing the amount of revenue paid for a certain postal service, for example, carrying of mails from one destination to another. Since its first inception as penny black in 1840, the humble stamp has gone through several evolutionary phases, and the purpose of today's exhibition is to bring to us this wonderful world of stamps, first day covers, envelopes, cancellations, and to encourage particularly the youth into this magnificent world of the king of hobbies and hobby of kings. In fact, it is said that the 1 by 1 inch postage stamp is a window to the world. Postage stamps has come to be the gazetteer by the government to recognize the nature's bounty in present anywhere in the world, including our country and particularly this Sikkim, and whatever human has achieved through its passion or scientific achievements or anywhere, any scientific or human achievement, this is represented through the postage stamps. Actually, all human beings, all governments recognize any feat of the human through this postage stamp. This becomes more important in the world of this social media for the youth, for the students, that this gives a window to be a little go away from the social media and have hobby or insight to the world's beauty through these tiny stamps. In fact, philately is such a hobby which includes every aspect of a research. Anything which is done in the PhD, Doctor of Philosophy, like there is a synopsis. Any philatelist who wants to create his own collection or exhibit, he has to make a synopsis about what he's going to present or to display. Then there is a collection of things, information available, photographs available, research available. So this is also a necessary act after synopsis for any philatelist, a budding philatelist also. So you collect stamps, information about that, significance about that. Then comes arrangement of all these informations in the form of knowledge, write-ups, photographs, etc. in a very systematic way. This is what we do in our exhibit. And writing a good piece of 3-4 lines about that. Sagar को गागर में भरने का काम की जो एक एग्जिबिट के नीचे में कुछ 2-4 लाइनें लिखी होती हैं, वो 4 लाइनों में हम उस दुनिया के चीज़ों को पूरा उन 4 लाइनों में लिख देते हैं. And then comes the scheme of the whole exhibit, 3, 4, 5 A4 size papers. This is what we do in philately, this is what we do in research. So I request all the Gurujans and the parents that you must encourage your children to initiate into the hobby of philately. This will not only do away them from the addicting way how the children are going towards the social media. It will give a good window to the world of knowledge and so many things in the life. Sikkim particularly is a beautiful state. Now, all type of cultures, scenic beauty, flowers, flora and fauna, people are beautiful, people's hearts are beautiful. I have come 3-4 times here. Sikkim has had a legacy of fiscal stamps from the times of the kingdom of the Chogyal. It holds a particular significant role in the world of philately as the first official rocket mail in Asia, and we were discussing this. In fact, this may be in the world. Was conducted by Stephen Smith in Sikkim. Even today, or even till today, it remains an important milestone in the history of philately globally. Stamps have been issued on several important historical events, themes of Sikkim. The Rumtek Monastery, the Red Panda, Blood Pheasant, Shangmo Lake are noteworthy. Special covers have been issued on the Lord Padma Sambhava, Tasi Namgyal Academy, Dale Kursiang Chilis, Guru Dongmar Lake, Organic Estate, Women Empowerment, and many, many more. A significant landmark has been on May 29, 2025, when India Post released a ₹5 commemorative beautiful stamp to mark the 50th anniversary of Sikkim's statehood, 1975 to 2025. I was present there at the organizing states, the function. Our Honorable Prime Minister, Shriman Narendra Modi ji, was to come. He came till, I think, that airport, Bagdogra, but the climate would not allow him to fly to Sikkim. So he released that beautiful stamp through the video conference. It was a very beautiful stamp, and India Post recognizes Sikkim's role in overall India's growth, development, and overall security importance of the Sikkim for the country and further development for the country. The Sikkim PEX 2026 is being organized over a period of 2 days, today and tomorrow, 10th and 11th March, wherein we would be having several programs which like philatelic workshop, quiz competition, letter writing competition, 50 years of a statehood, stamp design competition, Kanchenjunga National Park, and release of a special covers and philatelic ancillary. I hope this endeavor from India Post will be an all-round success and wish you all the very best. I appeal to all the schools and other societies in the capital or around the capital to kindly please encourage youths and other people to come and watch this small philatelic exhibition. This will take them to a world of beauty, knowledge, and everything. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for those inspirations.
अभिभावकगण, आजका मुख्य अतिथि, विशिष्ट अतिथिगण, हजुरहरू समक्ष अभिवादन गर्दै आज हामी पाचेखानीबाट सङ्गिनी नृत्य लिएर प्रस्तुत गर्न लागिरहेका छौँ। यो सङ्गिनी नृत्यको बारेमा म हजुरहरूलाई छोटो परिचय दिन चाहन्छु। सङ्गिनी नृत्य नेपाली सांस्कृतिक परम्पराको लोकनृत्य हो र यसको सुरुवात नेपालको पूर्वी क्षेत्रबाट भएको भनेर मानिन्छ। विशेष गरेर अहिले यो नेपाली सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमहरूमा, धार्मिक कार्यक्रममा, पूजा पुराण इत्यादि, विशेष गरेर तीज पर्व आदिमा यसको नृत्य गर्ने प्रचलन चलिआएको छ र यो हाम्रो एउटा परम्परा हो र यसलाई हामीले जोगाइराख्नुपर्छ भनेर हामीले समय समयमा पर्वहरूमा यसलाई नाच्ने गर्दछौँ र यो नारीहरूको विशेष गीत भनेर मानिन्छ। नारीहरूले पहिलाका नानीहरूले आफ्नो दुःखका, मनका व्यथा भावनाहरूलाई सङ्गिनीको माध्यमद्वारा व्यक्त गर्दथे पहिला आफूलाई दुःख परेको समयमा, र त्यही परम्परा चलिआएको छ र नारीहरूको दुःख पीडा कस्तो हुँदो रहेछ पहिलाको समयमा र त्यो विषयलाई लिएर यहाँ प्रस्तुत गरिन्छ सङ्गिनी नृत्य। स्वीकार्नुहोला। महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
फक्जुलाज्यू, पोस्टमास्टर जेनरल उत्तर बङ्गाल र सिक्किम राज्य, प्रतिष्ठित फिलाटली निर्णायक मण्डल जुरी तथा फिलाटेलिस्ट महानुभावहरू, शिक्षकवर्ग, विद्यार्थीहरू तथा यहाँ उपस्थित सम्पूर्ण महानुभावहरू, आजको यस सुन्दर अवसरमा आयोजित फिलाटेली प्रदर्शनी कार्यक्रमलाई सफल बनाउन सहयोग गर्नुहुने सम्पूर्ण व्यक्तिहरूप्रति म हार्दिक धन्यवाद व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु। यस कार्यक्रमलाई आफ्नो अमूल्य समय दिएर उपस्थित भई कार्यक्रमको गरिमा बनाइराख्नु भएको आदरणीय प्रमुख अतिथि श्रीमान अशोक कुमारज्यू, चीफ पोस्ट मास्टर जेनरल पश्चिम बङ्गाल सरकार तथा विशिष्ट अतिथि पद्मश्री सम्मानित श्री नरेन्द्र गुरुङ ज्यूप्रति विशेष धन्यवाद व्यक्त गर्दछु। साथै आदरणीय श्री सियाललाल फक्जुलाज्यू, पोस्टमास्टर जेनरल उत्तर बङ्गाल अनि सिक्किम राज्य प्रति हार्दिक आभार व्यक्त गर्दछु।